Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a rather smaller knife that I added to my collection, and you will probably have his bigger or larger brother in probably most of my videos in the comparison portion of the video, and that is the K-Bar Dozier Hunter folder. And when I found out that the K-Bar does also make a small one, I tracked one down at one of my local dealers and bought one. So this is not an inexpensive knife. In the greater things, yes it is, but for what it is a little bit on the expensive side, but I will be talking about a little bit later. So one thing that was in the box is this keychain ring, and you will probably understand why. So I must confess that usually when I'm ordering knives or looking at the designs, I try to get some of those knives that speaks to me, that I like the design, I would like to talk about them, and I really do not check the specifications, which I should probably should do. When I open the package, this is a really small knife, so as you can see it will completely hide inside my palm. So I would say this is one of those small big knives or keychain knives if you like, but then of course you have a full pocket clip size. This is implemented, so it is a miniaturized version of the full size one, which is right here. And let's talk about this K-Bar Mini Dozier Folding Hunter. So this is the model number 4072. It is a Bob Dozier design, or it is one of his award-winning design. Like I told many times in my videos, if you are looking for a lightweight, really decently built knife, check out the Dozier Folding Hunter. Nowadays you have lots of different options out there, but if you are looking for something really small, then this is maybe something you could check out or get yourself. Also, in my opinion, it will be a really great knife for let's say if you have a girlfriend or boyfriend or kid who has small hands, because let's face it, I have XL size hand. I can use it still, but it is really small. But not everybody has large hands, so there is a place for smaller knives. If you would like to carry it as a keychain knife, it is perfectly fine. Then you can take down the pocket clip and put your key ring on the linear hole part right. So, but let me give you specifications, because I'm rambling on 4 minutes and no specifications. What's going on? So the overall length is 14.6 centimeters. That is 5.7 inches, under 6 inches. We have blade length of 6 centimeters or 2.4 inches. So everywhere where the 3-inch or 2.5 inch limit for the blade length is mandatory, this is knife for you. If you can have a lock knife, of course, that is completely another problem some countries have. But the blade width is 1.7 centimeters or 0.7 inches. The blade thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches, which makes it really a nice slicer. And the handle is 7.6 centimeters, 3.4 inches, with a thickness of 0.7 centimeters or 0.3 inches. That is measured without the pocket clip, of course. On the blade we have OS 8A, which is a really nice satin finished drop point stainless steel. And we have a hollow grind blade. Handles are made of Zytel, which is a GRN or glass reinforced nylon, plastic type, sturdy reinforced plastic. No liners, that is definitely not necessary on a smaller knife, but it will keep the weight down. And As far as pivot assembly goes, there are probably some kind of thin bronze washers, or maybe nylon washers, I don't know, because I did not take apart this knife. As far as lock goes, we have a tested and timeless design. This is a backlog, of course. For opening, we have a thumb stud, but for some reason, and I did check this out on quite a few openings, that without the gloves there is a problem. You definitely have to have a good purchase and do a up motion, because as you can see right there, the thumb stud is completely smooth. You have some kind of notches or parts that should grab something, but let's face it, if you are opening the knife, you are grabbing the top part, not the middle section. So definitely you can do a fast motion, but please keep in mind that this could really nicely slip. So if you like, you can maybe just use your file or something to create a burr or some kind of texture on the top. I don't know why they keep it this way. It's probably because they went the miniaturized version of the original one. So this is the same. It looks like the same stat, or is this smaller a little bit? But yeah, it is what it is. Keep in mind, this could slip on you. But since this is not a tactical knife, you will have ample of time to slow roll it, open it, and maybe cut your packaging open, or let's say peel apple or something, doing around these chores. On the blade we have a prevalent nice Dozier design logo, K-bar, and Taiwan, and the model number. So the weight comes at 31.8 grams or 1.1 ounce. Like I mentioned, these are made in Taiwan, and a small keyring is included to have it as a keyring knife. Also, like his big brother, it has a reversible or MB pocket clip. So if you are a left-handed carry user, so this is good to know, good to have. Okay, let's see the pocket profile. If you would choose to carry it, you have definitely two options. You can have it in the watch pocket, or completely submerged, or have it as a standard pocket knife. This is how much it will be sticking out. It definitely feels a little bit draggy because we have medium to light tension, but still they are texturing under the part here. Even if they try to design it around the flat portion of the K-bar logo right there. We have a nice functional, really nice functional jimping. I have to give it a thumbs up, because sometimes the jimpings are only cosmetical, but this is really nice. Now let me show you the sharpness out of the box. As you can see, it is sharp, but could definitely use a little bit honing or ceramic growth. But as it is functional, but could definitely use a little bit of stropping. As you can see there, the stud is reversible. If you are a left-handed user, you should definitely have this option, because to have a pocket clip, MB pocket clip, will really do not much of good of you if you cannot open the knife itself. Okay, so now let's see three size comparisons. So here is his big brother, like I mentioned him a few times right now. So yeah, and as I can see, there is definitely a place for a medium size. So somewhere right in this size range. Maybe in the future, who knows. Okay, so I have here a few smaller blades. Usually my blades are a little bit larger than this one, so excuse that. So here is the Saltbuster Junior. Here is the Peanut from Rough Rider, Texas Toothpick from Buck, and I have here the Kershaw Leak, Red Model 1. And if we are talking about small and lightweight knife, I had to take out from my archive the SOG Flash 1, which is sadly a long time discontinued model from SOG, and was one of those really great, superbly made, lightweight knives that were out in the mid 2010 or so on. Assisted opening, nice belly, and really nice design. So probably SOG should come out with maybe some new versions with this small form factor. It will be a great option. Okay, so let's see. So here is the CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin. So yeah, these will be really large. Let's take out one of my favorite knives, the CRKT Pillar 1. It's almost the same size, so a little bit larger, not that much. And of course, Buck Vintage Select Small, which is a little bit larger, but one of those small big knives that I really appreciate to have in my collection. Okay, so with that being said, it's probably everything that I have for you in this video. I forgot to mention the price, sorry about that. So like I stated at the start of the video, this is not an inexpensive knife. So the MSRP is $32.95. They usually go for $22 or $21.95. But here in Europe, they cost around 27 euros. So for 27 euros, you can definitely buy lots of knives, different knives, large knives, medium knives. But yeah, it is what it is. So if you would like to have a nice small knife that is designed by a legend, then you have to pay that price. And the price of admission is $27, 27 euros for me, and it's perfectly fine because now I have one in my collection, and it will probably be a returning cast member when I am making the side comparisons with other knives. So with that being said, this was the K-Bar Mini Dozier Folding Hunter. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you well for today. Hope to see you soon.